Welcome to the Using SignWriter Studio videos. This video will explain some advanced features of the SignEditor. The first feature is the symbol lookup. If you select any one symbol at one time, it comes here. It finds appropriate chooser here, so you can change it, change its rotation, change the plane, change the hand facing, the palm facing of the symbol. Also, it looks it up here in the all symbols. Here's the base symbol for this one. So if you want something similar but with a curly Q, you can click over here, and then we can just edit it then we just edit it. Click on it here, here, and then we can edit it here in the chooser and replace it in the sign. Once we select the symbol, then it finds the corresponding hand, palm facing, and plane and rotation of that symbol. So we can change it and then replace it in the sign. Also, if we hover over a symbol, we have a description of that symbol name. So if we're not sure what the symbol is for, we can get at least a short description of what it is. So like for example, let's say we have this hand in the floor plane, and we want to put it in a wall plane. So we can just change it to the wall plane here and replace it. So that's how we change it from one plane to another. Another interesting feature of the SignEditor, another advanced feature of the SignEditor is using the numbers to get a specific category. So here in the all symbols, we can press on 1 to get the first category, 2 second category, 3 for the third category, 4 for the fourth category, 5, 6, 7. So if we've been working here with the heads, and now we want to go to a hand, we can press 1, and we can go to the hands and then expand those symbols. Also, you can expand or contract part of this list by pressing the multiply and contract with the divide key. So we can go up to the top and expand them all. Then we can also find the next one by the text we start typing. So we start typing 5. There we are. So the next one with 5, we found it. And the next one down here with an index that starts with index. There we are. So we can also start typing and move around by the symbol descriptor. Here in the search hand shape, we can change which fingers we want to find on our symbols by pressing the keys 1. It'll go between doesn't matter, needs to be there, shouldn't be there, or doesn't matter for any one of these check marks. So just pressing the 1, the 4, the 8, or the 6, and then we can hit search and find the results. In the favorites area, we can find a favorite by start typing the word. If we want the one that we've called fast, type F-A-S-T, there we are. Or we can find the one we called flat, F-L-A, there we are. Or we can C, or T-O-U-C-H, touch. So we can go quickly from one to the other and then drag it over to our sign if it's just one symbol, or if not, we can just click it and it'll add it to where it was before we added it to the favorites. Can be controlled by the Numeric Keypad. So if we type any of the numbers that are around the radio buttons, for example the 9, 6, 3, 2, 1, so it selects as if we had clicked on it. We can also go to the other plane by pressing 5 and back to the other plane again. 5 switches between one plane and the other. 0 switches between the right hand and the left hand. The division, multiply, minus, and plus change the palm facing of the symbol. We have something also similar with the arrows. So if we choose a simple arrow, there's an arrow chooser. So we can switch between Arrowhead Types by pressing 0. And we can change planes by pressing 5. And then we can choose different rotation by clicking on the numbers. And we switch around in the current plane, press 5, and we switch to the other plane.